Machine learning programming is all about creating algorithms that help computers learn from data. It's a fascinating subset of artificial intelligence, and it's primarily done using languages like Python, R, and Java. At its core, machine learning is about using statistical techniques to identify patterns in data and make decisions. Think of it as teaching machines to improve over time without needing constant human input. Data sets are crucial. They're collections of data points used to train and test models. Features are the measurable properties of the data, while labels are the outcomes we want to predict. There are different types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, each with its own purpose. Supervised learning uses labeled data to train models, while unsupervised learning finds hidden patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning teaches models to make decisions based on rewards and penalties. Python is the go-to language for machine learning, thanks to its simplicity and powerful libraries like NumPy and TensorFlow. R is great for statistical analysis, while Java is used for larger applications with libraries like Weka. The machine learning workflow involves collecting data, preprocessing it, and selecting the right model for training. Once trained, we evaluate the model's performance and deploy it for real-world applications. Machine learning is transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and marketing with its predictive capabilities. As this field evolves, mastering machine learning programming is becoming an essential skill for the future,